Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here today to show you the Boston Whaler 2019 315 Conquest. Let's start with the outside of the boat. It's the new Tectonic silver color is absolutely beautiful. It's got the stainless steel rub rail insert. It's got the high bow line, so it's a lot of freeboard for taking the deep water, so you can take this offshore without a problem. And as you can see from down here, the hardtop is very large, and it's got the sure shade that extends out over the seating area in the back. And as we move around to the back of the boat, you'll see that it has underwater lighting, and it's powered by the brand new for 2019 Mercury Verado. It's the brand new 300s that are absolutely fantastic. They're great looking, but they're quieter. They're more fuel efficient. They're lighter. They're just a phenomenal engine. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are up on board the 315 Conquest. Start at the back of the boat. If you're out for a ride, if you're not fishing today and you're just going for a cruise, you got the fold-down seats. All you got to do when you're going to fish, just fold it up. Nice leaning post, rod holders, live well conveniently located here. Another fold-down seat also. You got an opposing seat facing back this way. And then when you're sitting up there, you can actually pull the foot shelf out so your feet aren't dangling down. Kind of neat. Nice storage, 3 big storage drawers. Refrigerator, prep sink. And as we move back here, now I can flip this way. We've got a very comfortable 2-person seat here. You can lounge or you can take this out. The table comes out, drinks, cocktails, that type of thing. And then over at the helm, it's got the large vessel view. Has all the information you need. Plenty of room to put any electronics on it that you want, whether it's a Garmin, Marine, Simrad. It's got generators, so it also has air conditioning, digital throttle and shift. The joystick is fantastic. It'll make this boat go sideways, so you can dock anytime, anywhere, any condition. Has skyhook, locks it in position when you need it, and also autopilot. We call it auto heading. So now let's go down and check out the cabin. Here we are in the cabin. Beautiful cabin for a 31-foot boat. Plenty of room for 2 people to stay overnight comfortably, hang out, play cards. You can put 6 people up in the V area here. It's got a great sound system. It's got rod holders. It's got a nice little galley. You've got a little burner, a single burner, microwave, refrigerator, TV, and a nice mid cabin back there where 2 adults can sleep very comfortably. And finally, we have a really nice enclosed head. Plenty of room. You can that pulls out and it actually mounts on the wall for a shower, and it's got the vacuum flush head. So this is a fantastic boat for a 31-foot boat. It'll still do the backwater nicely, but it'll also take the Gulf waters going down to the Keys, those types of trip. No problem at all. So if you have any questions, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.